Okay, today, we'll elaborate on 6 scientific methods on how to transfer contacts to new phone in various scenarios. If you got a new Android phone or iPhone, you could use any of the approaches below to transfer contacts to it from the old iPhone or Android device without a hitch. Way 1. How to transfer contacts to new phone via transfer for mobile one-click solution. Transferring contacts between phones is a piece of cake for Mobican Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac. It caters to different requirements. Here, let's see how to transfer contacts to a new phone from an old one via Mobican Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Run the program and link phones to computer. Step 2. Check the positions of both phones. Step 3. Select files and trigger the transfer. Way 2. How to get contacts from old phone to new phone with Google account. Similarly, this method applies to the co-platform or cross-platform data migration. That is, it has no requirements on the operating system of the two mobile phones you want to carry out the task on. Way 3. How to move contacts to new phone from SIM card. You can use a SIM card to get contacts from Android to iPhone, Android to Android, iPhone to iPhone, and iPhone to Android as well. Way 4. How to transfer contacts from one phone to another using Move to iOS. The Move to iOS app only allows you to transfer contacts to a new iPhone from an Android device. During the use, the existing data on your iPhone would be wiped away. Way 5. How to transfer contacts between phones via iCloud. This solution is used for contact transfer between iPhones or from iPhone to Android device. While doing the latter, you need to export the items backed up in iCloud to a computer and then transfer them to your Android phone. Way 6. How to sync contacts to new phone via Bluetooth. Bluetooth is usually used to transfer contacts, photos, etc. between Android phones. Apple iOS and Android are incompatible, so we cannot transfer contacts between them directly by Bluetooth.